Hi guys, my name is Lacey Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be using the JUVIA'S Place Nubian 3 Coral palette, and the colors are absolutely stunning. If you love this, then stay tuned. Hi guys, so I've already gone in and I've done my base makeup. So basically I have my base on, I have my primer, my foundation, my concealer, my powder. It's baked, it's on there. And I've misted with a little bit of the Morphe setting spray, just a little bit. I've gone in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, my IT Cosmetics concealer, my Born This Way sculpting concealer. These are all my ride or dies. So if you have seen my previous videos, when I've done makeup tutorials, it's basically all the same steps. I just thought I would skip ahead and show you the good stuff today. So in today's look, we're using a brand new palette. So this is the JUVIA'S Nubian 3 Coral. These colors are stunning. So you've got your silvers, your grays, your browns, some burgundy shades, and these lovely corals, which I kind of dig for these. This color story right here, and this brown, and this, and this, and this, and this. Okay, I love all of it. I was thinking about doing a coral smoky eye today. I love the whole palette. So I thought I would just go in and show you guys, how we create this eye look. To start, I'm actually going to be using Morphe by Jaclyn Hill brush JH41. To do my crease shade, I think I'm gonna go in with this one right here to do my crease shade. I love the color story. What I don't like is that there's no color names, because there's no color names on the back. I'm just gonna go in and put this in my crease. That is very pigmented. Kind of figured it would be. I'm going to take this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill brush, JH32, and I'm just going to blend that crease shade. This will be a really pretty transition shade. Just going to deepen that transition shade. So I'm just going to apply just a little bit more of that same color, and I'm going to blend that in. So it was actually Nikki Tutorials. It was one of her videos, one of her many videos that I've seen where she talked about JUVIA'S Place palettes and how much she loved it. So that's why I decided to look up the brand and try it out for myself. And so far this is nice, like beautiful. It just blends seamlessly. It's very pigmented. There's no fallout. So far, lots of stars. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of this corally shade right here. So I'm actually going to take that exact same Jaclyn Hill 41 brush that we went in for our crease. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of color. And I'm just going to put it just under our crease shade. Okay, so that's pigmented. I like that. Okay. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit more. Go ahead, do the other side. I'm going to go back in with that same blending brush from Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just going to blend that color. I'm now going to go in with this MAC 239 SE brush. I'm going to go in with this dark charcoal, and I'm just going to tap off any excess. And I'm going to apply this in the outer V. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. So I'm going to take the same Jaclyn Hill blending brush. That blends beautifully. Like butter, like it just blends amazingly. I'm just gonna go in with my dampened beauty blender. Just clean up around the edges. I am gonna smoke it out, so I'm not worried about that. I just see a little bit of fallout. I'm so impressed. I love that. That's so beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit more color. I'm gonna go in with a Natasha Denona number 6. And I'm going to pick up this brighter pinky corally shade. This one right here. Repeat on the other side. That is so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this Morphe Jaclyn Hill 41 brush. And I am going to take this shimmery peach in the palette right here. That's beautiful. I'm going to go into my inner corner just to brighten. That is stunning. Okay. I'm just gonna dab in a little bit more into the peachy shimmer, go into the other side. Now, I pulled it over a little bit more than I wanted to. So I'm just gonna take a clean MAC brush. This is a little shader brush. And I'm just gonna blend that into the gray. I'm just gonna go back in with the peachy color. I just want that to look seamless. I am going to go in with this Morphe Black and Gold Collection brush. There's no name on this brush, but it's just a little packer brush. And I'm going to go in with this darker gunmetal gray color. Okay, so it's very creamy for a pigment. It is pigmented, that's for sure. I'm just gonna tap off any excess. I'm gonna go in to the center of my lid. Ooh, that's pigmented. I like that. That's beautiful. That is stunning. Wow, I'm quite happy with that. So I'm gonna go back in with the same Jaclyn Hill blending brush I was using at the beginning. That is so pretty. So if I was gonna go in with a smoky eye, that would be a really beautiful color to use. I'm actually gonna take my Urban Decay All Nighter and the same brush I was using for the peachy color. So the peachy shimmery color, I'm just gonna spritz my brush. I usually do 3 to 4 sprays on either side. I'm just gonna back into that peachy color. Go in with my dampened brush just to kind of, ooh, you see the difference? Like that just, I barely touched it and that just highlighted everything. Yeah, see that just brightened everything. So I'm just gonna dampen it a little bit more and repeat on the other side. I'm just tapping the center of my lid with my ring finger. That is stunning. Can you guys see how visually appealing that is? That is beautiful. Okay, so that is absolutely stunning. I'm going to go in with mascara, today's mascara. I'm gonna actually go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is this one right here. This is just the mini purse size version. That's the wand. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my mascara off camera and I will be right back. So I just thought I would show you guys that's basically one coat of mascara, so you guys can totally see the difference. It's nice, right? I like it. To do my waterline, I'm just gonna go in with a MAC 212 SE brush. I'm actually gonna pick up this corally color right here to do the shadowing under my eye. I'm just gonna smoke that out after I get that line in place. And I'm going to repeat on the other side. Okay guys, so for today's eyeliner, I'm actually going to go in with the 24-hour eye pencil from Urban Decay in the color 0. So this is the Urban Decay eyeliner pencil in the color 0. This is 24-hour glide on. And I'm just going to go in, do my waterline. I'll be right back. I've actually never used this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On eye pencil before. It's more of a soft black. I still hands down prefer my Pat McGrath for a black eyeliner. If you're into a softer black, then this might be the ticket for you, but if you're into like black, Pat McGrath all the way, hands down, love this one. So I decided for today's bronzer, I'm actually gonna go in with the Scott Barnes Bronze and Contour palette. I thought for a change, I will bronze with the color Sliced. Hopefully that's not too yellow for me. Okay, it's a bit yellow. I'm gonna go in with Crave and Sliced. Very pigmented, which I live for. I love that it's pigmented. So I'm just gonna mix Crave and Slice. And I'm just gonna go down the bridge of my nose. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in and blend that with my e.l.f. blending brush. I blend right into the hairline and right down to the center here where I didn't put any product. So it's just where the sun would naturally kiss your face. So now I'm also gonna go into the Scott Barnes palette and I'm going to take this Scott Barnes brush right here. This is number 65. This is the one that he uses to contour. So to contour, I'm going to try this color right here. This one is called Snatched. So I'm gonna try that one right here. Okay, so now again, I'm gonna go in with the same e.l.f. blending brush. I'm gonna start with my neck. I'm not blending this way, I'm always blending down. Chin, jawline. It just naturally gives you that shadow so you look thinner. That is very beautiful. I love that palette. Scott Barnes, I mean, he's J.Lo's makeup artist. Like, what can you say? Like, he's just amazing. Now that we're contoured and we're bronzed, I'm gonna go in with the Scott Barnes blush palette. I'm actually going to try Strike a Rose today and mix it with a little bit of the mango. That's what I think I'm going to like today. So today's blush brush is going to be the Natasha Denona number 17. I'm actually gonna go in with Strike a Rose first. It's very heavily pigmented, so you don't need very much. I'm gonna go in a little bit with mango. I'm mixing them. And I like to just kind of do like a little C shape right here for my blush. Ooh, that is heavy. I will be blending that. That is beautiful though. So I'm gonna do the exact same. And then a little bit of the mango. I'm gonna go back in with my e.l.f. brush. I'm just gonna blend that. Now, I say this in every video, blush fades on me really, really quickly. So I'm just gonna blend it just a little bit. I just tapped it, really. I just got rid of any excess on the edges. For today's lip color, we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip color in the color Peachy. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go off camera, apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now that I have my lashes on, I'm just gonna go in and fix my under eye shadow just a little bit more. I just want it to be a little bit more intense. So I'm just gonna go back in with this dark corally color, and I'm gonna actually mix it with this dark brown color because I want it to just pop, be a little bit more intense. Yeah, see, I like that a little bit. Gives it a little bit of a deeper contrast, a deeper tone, and I like that a little bit more. Yeah, this makes it a little bit more soldery. Yeah, sexy, I like it. So again, for my highlighter, I'm going in with this Scott Barnes palette right here. I'm going to go in with this lighter shade right here. Oof, you guys see that? That is amazing. Love that. That is stunning. That's blinding, like blinding crazy. I'm gonna have to blend tiny bit on the bridge of my nose, tiny bit on the end of my nose, Cupid's bow. I'm going to go in with this Jaclyn Hill JH48 brush, which is this one right here. I'm going to take a little bit of that same highlighter color and just go under the brow bone. That is so beautiful. Whew, that is golden. That is stunning. I love that. Okay. So now I'm actually just gonna go in with this Sigma Beauty flat angled kabuki brush, this one right here, and I'm literally just gonna buff out those cheeks since we don't need to blind anyone right now. But that highlight is stunning. So I'm just tapping where I don't want it to be so pigmented. And if I wanted to go in, which I don't, I'll show you in another video, but if I wanted to go in, if you wanted to go in, let's say that, if you wanted to go in and veil it, which means just kind of give it a dimmer effect, say you don't want it to be so blinding, just tap in a little bit of your setting powder and just tap. And it'll just take away some of that blinding highlight. So I'm gonna go in with this Sigma gloss right here, and this is the color Secret Garden to finish off the look. Ooh, that's pretty. This is the look. What do you guys think? Do you guys love my videos? Please click and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Hit that like button and smash that notification bell so you're always notified when I upload. Alright guys, see you in the next one.